Hello guys, it's Dale here. Today I'm going to talk about a new trading idea that I want to show you on the British pound. I'll also do a recap of trades from yesterday's video, which I sent to you yesterday. But before that, just a quick reminder of the special sale which we are currently running on my best educational and indicator packs is ending later today. So if you want to get that for a discounted price, then you better hurry up. You can find it on my website, trader-dale.com. You click this button which says browse courses, and in here there are two indicator and educational packs. The first one is called the Elite Pack, which focuses on volume profile trading and includes volume profile video course, my personal trading levels, which you'll be getting every day, and my custom coded volume profile indicators for various trading platforms, including TradingView, NinjaTrader, or MetaTrader. Now, if you are interested in day trading using Oriflow, then this is ideal for you. This is the Oriflow pack, which consists of my custom coded Oriflow software for NinjaTrader 8 platform, video course on trading with Oriflow, and volume profile indicator pack. So as I was saying, currently those educational and indicator packs are 52% discounted, but the sale will end later today. So that's about the quick reminder. Now let me switch over to the TradingView platform and talk about the trading ideas. So what I want to talk about is a new support that formed yesterday on the British pound. So that's what you see before you. It is the British pound US dollar 30-minute time frame, and that new support formed in here. It is at 1.1987, and it is based on the volume profile setup, which I call the trend setup. You can trade the trend setup when there's a trend, like in here, and what you want to do is use flexible volume profile. That's the volume profile you can move around like this, and select the trend area. What will happen is significant volume zones will show on the volume profile. Right now, significant volume zone is in here, this volume bump within this uptrend. This volume bump is telling us that buyers were adding to the long positions in here as they were pushing the price upwards. And that's why this is an important zone, because strong buyers were active here, and volume profile is telling us that this zone was important for them, right? So they're likely to defend it. So when there's a pullback at some point in the future, doesn't need to be today or tomorrow, but when there's a pullback to this level, then it is likely that there will be a reaction as those buyers will want to defend this place. All right. Very similarly, as just now, they are defending this significant volume cluster, right? But this one, the higher one, is already being tested, which means that it is no longer good to trade, all right? Because the level is spent. I only trade first tests. So I won't be trading this one anymore, but I'll wait for the price to come to this level, to the 1.1987, and trade from there. All right, so that's the trend setup. What I really like is how the price shoots upwards really aggressively from this volume cluster. This is telling us that strong institutional buyers were really aggressive and really strong here. So that definitely adds strength to that volume cluster and to that support which we have here. All right, so that's about the new support. Now I promised you I'll do a little recap of trades based on yesterday's video. There are two, possibly three trades. The first one was on the British pound as well. It was a losing trade. There's no avoiding those in trading. There'll always be some losing trades. I'm not hiding that. So it was based on those volumes. there was a short, and strong buyers from here just pushed through with not really any reaction to that level. So the short from here was a losing trade. But there was a way how to make your money back from this losing trade. And the thing is, and I teach that in my trading courses, is when price shots past a strong volume-based level with no reaction at all, like it happened in here, what you can do is wait for a pullback to the same level and enter a reversal position, which means that if we went short initially from here, then when the price made a pullback into that level again, then it is a long. And that long is where you would be able to make your money back. And by the way, what I really like about that reversal trade is that first deviation. Let me delete all that. First deviation of a VWAP being in here, and that confluence of that level with the first deviation right here. Alright, because the price likes to react to first deviations, especially when combined with heavy volume zones. So in here, it was not only the logic of the reversal trade, but also that first deviation that added strength to that reversal trade. Alright, so that was the level on British pound US dollar that I was talking about yesterday. There's also one more. This one was a bit easier. It was on the Bitcoin. So this is it. Bitcoin US dollar, 30-minute time frame. In this case, we had this significant volume cluster, and short level was in here. And I don't think that I need to comment too much on this. This was a very nice trade. Beautiful reaction. So yeah, that's about that. That's about the video for today. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget about the sale, which will be ending roughly in 12 hours from now. And I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video, or if you decide to join one of my courses, then I'll see you in the members area. So see you next time, and until then, happy trading!